Hello property people. Today I'm in Mount Rich, just outside the market town of Dingwall, and there's a view from the driveway. It's cracking 4-bedroom detached property. And you can see there's a garage to the side, loads of parking. That's our walking tour of the property. So I was lucky enough to sell the current owner of this property about 4 years ago, I think it was now. So it's really nice to be back here after a few years, see the changes. Okay, let's have a look at the property. So, got a lovely entrance vestibule into entrance hall. Straight ahead there is the utility room. It takes us to the side of the property, but more of that later. So let's have a look upstairs. So it's over a couple of levels. So this is the first level. It's got the 4th bedroom, which was currently used as a home office, as the current owner works from home, as so many of us do these days. Double bedroom. As you see as we walk around this property, there's just loads and loads of natural light coming in from all windows. So another double bedroom. Really good sized bedrooms. Wardrobe this one as well. And with the family bathroom. The bath with shower over. Up to the top level. This area here, I think it's set up for a home office really. That's where I would have a home office. Okay, so we're into the master bedroom. Again, as you can see, there's just light coming in from everywhere. Oh, loads of light. You haven't seen the view at the front there yet, but you can see onto the Inner Cromarty Firth. And of course we've got the ensuite. So let's have a look at the ground floor. So yeah, Dingwall, the market town, it's about a mile away. It's got a huge range of shops and supermarkets, primary and secondary schools, and railway station to Inverness in the north. So, lounge, closed stove, loads of light again coming in, and open to the kitchen dining room. So this kitchen was fitted, I think, last year. Really high quality kitchen, kind of marble granite top. Works really well, I think. There's a storage. So that's the window when you're doing your dishes. Cracking view. Dining area. Let's go and have a look at the view. So we've got sliding doors here to... There we go. Cracking, absolutely cracking view. There's a lovely decking area. Just to give you orientation, that's us to the side of the property where the front door is. Just stunning. This is to the side, so there's a productive garden there, raised beds, polytunnel, kennel, patio area. And there we go, an amazing view. It's a Black Hill in the distance there, Kilbokie, just the village over there. So this property is available very soon. Any questions at this stage, by all means drop me an email or WhatsApp. Happy to help. Thank you for watching.